Ecco, 8 euro e quello di artigianato. 8 euro.
Ciao ragazzi, Napoli. Look how beautiful. Napoli, I'm still here. It looks like it's packed today, I'll show you. Ah, francobolli. No? Ah, grazie. Francobolli. No?
Centro, sinistra, posto.
Ah, grazie. Francobolli. Ciao.
Ciao.
Francobolli. No? Ciao. Ciao. Vende francobolli? Sì.
Quanti?
For you guys. This looks good.
Il piatto di sta dall'assoluto e poi quello non viene, comunque devi rimanere fino a settembre con la tutto scoperto,
Io non ho un prego. Alright.
Guys, I got the lemon, carrots, melon, I don't know, something. Napoli. I'm headed to Sephora because I ran out of my face wash. I don't have any face wash left, so I'm going to Sephora, which is right the next one. These girls by themselves. These 3 little girls. Oh, where's their mother? Where's mom? Napoli is definitely where you come to just pig out and eat fried food and desserts and all that stuff. Florence and Milan, way more bougie. Way more bougie. You don't see anyone here really looking so fancy, you know? In Milan, everyone's got the Birkin bags and the Louis Vuitton and everything, and everyone's eating dainty, you know? And here in Napoli, you see people just stuffing their face with pizza and whoa. Yeah, it's definitely a more rustic part of Italy, but they're all cool. Yeah, everyone here is just eating fries and babas, which is like cake drenched in alcohol, and pizza and fried food. And Milan and Florence, everyone's just like, you know, fancy, and they have more money there, that's probably why. But it's just so cool to like watch all the different parts of you guys. This is true. I just bought, apparently that little shop was known for having like the best tiramisu. Absolutely. I only took 2 bites, but agreed. You guys, best tiramisu I've ever had in my life. Oh my gosh. You guys like my new shirt? I like the color. It's guys. So I didn't do much else today. I went and sent the postcards off, ran around looking for postcards. I don't know what was going on today with the postcard, not postcards, the stamp shortage. I went around to like 100 shops, like, do you have stamps? Do you have stamps? Do you have stamps? Found them for you guys though, and I sent off your postcards. If you want to sign up down below, I would love for you to join. It's my postcard program where I send you guys 25 postcards from 25 different places. I travel and I put cute little motivational messages on them. It's super fun for me. I love it. I'd love for you to sign up down below to get 25 postcards from me from 25 different locations. And so yeah, I sent those off. And then I was noticing that I've been in Italy for, I didn't even know, but I got a notification on my phone today that was saying like, your period is starting today. TMI maybe. And I was like, wait, my period is starting. That means like I've had 2 periods in Italy because my last period was in Italy. So then I checked how many days that I've been in Italy, and I've been here for over 30 days. That always happens. I end up spending way more time than I intend to in these countries because other stuff just comes up. You can't predict the future, and I always I'm not ready to leave yet Italy. Things keep popping up, and then there's other places I want to visit. So, and I always have to remember, Maryjane, you're in no rush. You're in no rush. I always have to remind myself that, Maryjane, you're not in a rush. You're not in a rush. So I've been enjoying Italy. I've been here for over a month. I also spent 3 months in Italy last year, so I'm used to it. And the year before that, I spent 2 months in Italy, so it's like a regular thing for me now. But I was noticing I was getting a lot of DMs asking about the Italian men. People saying, are the Italian men really handsome? And are you in heaven with all the Italian men? And I'm like, no. Actually, they're really not my type. I'm not gonna say they're not that handsome. They're handsome, but nothing like other places. And people were asking me like, so where did you find the most handsome men? 100% Honduras. Honduras, to me, the men, they're just drop dead gorgeous. They got these beautiful green eyes and this beautiful skin. Their skin is like beautiful. They got this curly black hair. They're gorgeous. But also Holland has really handsome men. And Morocco. But for me, no, the Italian men, that's not why I'm here. And haven't been paying attention to them at all. I've been living my best life on my own here in Italy. I don't really need other... I find that because I don't drink alcohol and I don't smoke anything, it becomes very hard to like make friends in Italy. Italians are all about smoking and drinking alcohol when they want to have fun. So I do get asked to hang out, but I find that it doesn't usually turn out great because and smoking and drinking is like how people here really. Also, I think my next video, or if not the next one, soon, I'm gonna make a video about how I taught myself how to speak Italian. It was so easy. The thing about traveling alone is you don't talk, right? Like, who am I talking to? You don't talk, so all I'm doing is listening. When you travel alone, you're not really talking that much, and I stopped listening to music. I do listen to podcasts, but I don't listen to podcasts all day long. But anyways, I'm just listening all day long, and I think a lot of people don't have the opportunity because most people are paired up all the time. You're always with somebody else. So if you're constantly with somebody else, you're probably talking to that person and you're not listening. I'm listening the entire day. All I do is listen, and you start to pick up languages. That's how babies learn to speak. So yeah, I tend to pick up languages because all I'm doing is listening all the time. And I've been here for a month. I've spent over a year in Italy, if you put all my time together. And yeah, it was simple. I just kind of figured out how to speak Italian. It's really not that difficult of a language. And I think my next video, if not one of the videos I do this week, is going to be me speaking Italian and how I learned how to speak Italian in a few weeks. It's not hard. But yeah, didn't get up to much else today. Didn't get up to much else today. Again, you can sign up for my postcard program down below. I've got like 100 more postcards set aside over here. I'm gonna send out tomorrow morning. Really exciting videos coming soon. And thank you guys so much for watching. I think I'm gonna do another country awards video where like I give awards to countries. This country had the most fashionable people. This country had the most whatever people. This country had the most stylish. I already kind of said stylish, but anyways, I think I'm gonna do one of those videos soon too. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Maryjane's World Tour. It's my new Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys.